Once upon a time, in the heavens above, there flowed a divine river glowing with light. Her name was Ma Ganga, pure, powerful, and sacred. Born from the feet of Lord Vishnu, she danced through the skies as Mandakini, the celestial river. But her destiny was tied to earth and a princess bear. Meanwhile, on earth, a mighty ruler named King Sagara was blessed with 60,000 sons destined to fulfill a divine purpose. But their pride led them astray, and one day they angered the great sage Kapila. With eyes blazing with divine purity, the sage reduced them all to ashes in a single moment. Their souls were trapped, wandering restlessly, denied of peace and salvation. Only the touch of a celestial river could cleanse their sins and set their souls free. But that river, Ma Ganga, flowed only in the heavens, far beyond mortal reach. To bring her down, a noble prince named Bhagiratha took it upon himself to change fate. He began a fierce penance, standing still for years, praying with unwavering devotion to Lord Brahma. Moved with his devotion, Lord Brahma appeared and granted his wish to send Ma Ganga down to earth. But Brahma warned, her descent is mighty. If uncontrolled, it will shatter the earth. Only Lord Shiva could bear her force, so Bhagirath turned his prayers toward the great Mahadev. With deep faith, Bhagirath began a new penance, this time to please Lord Shiva, the Lord of calm and power. Pleased by his devotion, Lord Shiva appeared and promised to bear Ganga's mighty descent in his matted locks. When Ma Ganga leapt from the heavens, she roared like a storm, fierce and unbridled. But Lord Shiva, calm and unshaken, caught her in his thick matted locks, silencing her mighty force. He let her flow gently from his hair, transforming her fury into a serene, sacred stream. From there, Ma Ganga began her divine journey on earth, following Bhagiratha across mountains and plains. At last, they reached the sacred spot where the ashes of King Sagara's sons lay scattered. As Ma Ganga's holy waters touched the ashes, the souls of the 60,000 princes were finally freed and ascended to the heavens. From that moment on, Ma Ganga became the sacred river of earth, a goddess who flows with grace, purity, and compassion. She still flows, pure and kind. Have you ever stood by her side and just felt her? May the blessings of Ma Ganga always be with you. Every great story begins with a step. If this one inspired you, share it, comment your favorite part, and subscribe to be a part of our journey to a better you.